I heard the story. It was not in English, so in my ninth standard it was. In my ninth standard it was in Sanskrit. So as I was from Hindi medium, so it was in Sanskrit. And so I don't remember the exact, but after
It's
hearing
okay.
it this time,
You can describe in
yes.
your own words. Good morning, Sachin.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing good. What about your morning? Anything special in this morning?
Not just so special, but as usual. And my days are going on because and from tomorrow my classes will start. So
Mm-hmm.
tomorrow will be special for me because my college
Okay,
classes will
tomorrow is
start.
yes, yes. So tomorrow is your first day of your
Yes,
college, medical college.
yes, yes, definitely.
Okay. Yes, it's a big day for you.
Yes, definitely. It is going to be memorable and
Hmm.
it
Hmm.
for me.
Hmm. So for my viewers, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, oh, okay, sure. As we have done conversation, but a little bit again. So
Hmm.
as you
Hmm.
know, first of all, can I? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
sure. So first of all, thanks for giving me this opportunity. As you know, my name is Sachin. I'm connecting from Zuru district of Rajasthan state. And if you talk about my qualification, I'm not any graduate. Before 2 years, I passed class 12th exam from science background. And this year, I qualified NEET UG exam, the medical entrance exam. And for 2 years, I have been coaching for this particular exam. And nowadays, I'm completely free, so I'm focusing on my English speaking skill. And started my journey before 3 months ago. If you talk about my hobbies, so nowadays I'm free, so I have inculcated many hobbies like playing cricket, yoga, meditation, and
Hmm.
listening English podcast, writing. That's all about me.
Hmm. We have talked earlier, but in today's video, you are looking so confident. How many
Yes.
sessions right now you have completed?
I don't remember exact, but almost more than 70 to 80 video conversations.
Hmm. So, do you find any difference from your first day and now?
Yes, I find very much difference because in the starting, and we have also done first video conversation which you uploaded. So I saw,
Hmm.
and if we when sometime I see my starting conversations with
Hmm.
uh, uh, some YouTubers and you. So
Hmm.
after seeing this time, I'm feeling confident because now I'm talking to you confidently without hesitating. Sometimes I hesitate,
Hmm.
but some that
Hmm.
is common, so I don't worry about
Hmm.
that much. So that's it.
Hmm. Do you find like a video conversation is more useful than audio session?
Yes, definitely, because if you talk about me, I generally love video conversation because I have
Hmm.
completed almost 70 to 80 plus video conversation,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
now almost
Hmm.
30 to 40 audio. I generally love
Hmm.
audio conversation because sorry, video conversation, because in video conversation we can enhance our communication skill and confidence as
Hmm.
well. We can see the body
Hmm.
language of a front person, and
Hmm.
sometimes we all are
Hmm.
co-learners. We make mistakes, so we can
Hmm.
correct each other sometime by
Hmm.
listening the body language. So
Hmm. Okay. So in today's video, I will narrate a story, and
okay,
after that story, you will tell me moral of the story. Whatever
okay,
comes to your mind, you will just share.
okay, definitely.
Okay. So the story name is The Pigeons and Hunter, Kabutar or Shikari. I
Yes,
think you heard this story. Once upon a time, a flock of pigeons lived in a forest. Every morning, they always used to go in search of food, and in the evening, they came back to their nest. As one day, as usual, they were going in search of food, but they were not able to find even a single grain of the food. Then they were very disappointed. But suddenly, a young pigeon saw some rice which was scattered on the ground. So he screamed loudly, "Hooray, we got the rice grain. Now we can eat." But there was a old pigeon among them. He was
yes,
suspicious.
I
He was
I have
suspicious. Yes, he was suspicious. Then he told all the young pigeon, no, 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 you should not go there because it can be a trap. But they disobeyed that old pigeon and they landed to the ground. And after that, they eating the rice. But they were not aware of the net. There was a hidden net under the
Yes.
grains. So their foot get stuck. Then they were crying a lot, please save us, please save us. But that old pigeon was stayed nearby the tree and he was worried because the hunter was coming towards the net. Then he suggested a plan to the young pigeons. You should never disappoint. You should use your power and you can fly with this net. Then they understand what was the old pigeon saying. Then they use their joint effort and they flew away on the sky with this net. After
Yes.
some time, yes, then the hunter seeing this incident, he feeling very disappointed. Then the old pigeon said, okay, now we should land it uh, that banyan tree. There was a mouse living, he is my friend, and he will cut all this net and you will free from this net. Then they landed nearby the house of mouse. Then the mouse cut all the net and they were free. After free from the net, they were feeling very happy. So tell me, what is the moral of the story?
So first of all, I have heard the story. It was not in English, so in my ninth standard it was.
Hmm.
In my ninth
Hmm.
standard it was in Sanskrit.
Hmm.
So as I was from Hindi medium, so it was in Sanskrit, and so don't remember the exact, but after
It's okay.
hearing this time,
You can describe in
yes,
your own words.
yes. So first of all, we don't see any. I don't see any particular one any one moral. It according to me
Hmm.
it contains two or three morals. So first
Hmm.
of
Hmm.
all, about the old pigeon, it was
Hmm.
experienced, and so
Hmm.
according to me, the first moral is experience is our
Best
everything,
teacher.
because the
Hmm.
experience is never challenged. If
Yes.
someone has experience practice, so he can never be
Hmm.
challenged. So
Hmm.
according to me, first is this, that when he saw the we he estimated that how the rice could be scattered in
Hmm.
this
Hmm.
forest in
Hmm.
forbidden.
Hmm.
So, and
Hmm.
second is according to me, the when the all other pigeons, young pigeons, did not
Hmm.
hear the old pigeon. So
Hmm.
there was something great in their
Yes.
mind, because they all
Hmm.
were hungry. So second
Hmm.
moral is according to me that there is a proverb
Hmm.
that money or avarice is the root all of all things, like
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
as you may have heard. So
Hmm.
money is yeah, or avarice is the root of all evils,
Hmm.
bad
Yes.
evils. And third is when they, when they fly together, when they fly.
Hmm.
So that time,
Hmm.
according to me, third moral is of the story is that
Hmm.
similarity shows unity, or it is all about
Yeah.
unity. The third moral,
Yes.
and unity can conquer
Hmm.
everything. So
Yes.
according to me, these three morals.
Hmm. Your moral were absolutely correct. Yes, if we are doing any work in a unite form, we can, find out a way in a difficult situation also. And second thing, like in every family, there is a old person, and
Yes,
sometimes we are disobeying that old person. But I think they are most experienced. They have taken so many experience of the life, so we should always listen to that old person. But in the story, the young pigeons were disobeyed that old pigeon.
yes, I'm
Yes.
agree.
Hmm. So what do you think? Like this was a very old story, and today I narrate the story for you. Then you again remind the story. What will be the moral of the story? And you told me this story was read by in the ninth class by you.
Yes. So first of all,
Yes.
after hearing this story, I'm feeling very happy
Mm-hmm.
because it was in our ninth standard. So I remember those days of our ninth standard. So I'm
Mm-hmm.
feeling very happy after hearing, and I it
Mm-hmm.
remembered me those days. So I'm
Mm.
feeling very happy after
You are feeling
hearing this.
nostalgia. You are feeling nostalgia. You are lost
Yes,
in your old memories.
yes,
Yes. So I can say story is a good method to learn English. You can narrate
yes,
any story and after that you can tell the moral.
yes,
So it is another activity. After that you can improve your English speaking skills.
yes. I'm agree with you.
Hmm. Yes. So do you have any question for me? Otherwise I will ask you.
You can ask me.
Okay. So you told me tomorrow is your first day of your medical college. So
Okay.
is there any special program like a fresher party, some other things?
No, it is not. According to me, fresher party will be held after 5 to 7 days, or almost 10 days after. Because in the
Uh-huh.
starting, we first of all we have to attend our first class, and after
Mm-hmm.
that we came to know that we come to know we will come to know that what will necessary things to buy as a medical student, like apron, stethoscope, sometime in the first year of
Mm-hmm.
medical college, and
Mm-hmm.
one of my elder brother in our family, not my sibling, but in our family, he is a lecturer there. He has also
Mm-hmm.
done medical college, MBBS, so he's a lecturer there at that medical college. So I will try to consult with them and
Mm-hmm.
take their advice, and then definitely I will try to make
Mm-hmm.
this memorable, this
Mm-hmm.
starting days of my college, because it is going to be memorable, because it is the starting of my
Mm-hmm.
career, and
Mm-hmm.
that I want to be a
Yes.
doctor, so that's all.
Currently you are living in Jodhpur. Am I right?
No, I'm not Jodhpur, I'm at my home.
Uh-huh. But
I'm at home. I will.
tomorrow is your.
Yes, but I will.
When will you go?
Yes, I will leave my home at night 3:50 a.m. My train. If we will reach at Jodhpur at 9, and then I will
Okay.
attend my class, if it possible,
Okay.
because
Okay.
if
Today
it
you are
possible, because
leaving your
I can
home.
miss my
Today.
last.
Yes. Yes. I am saying today you are leaving your home and you are going
Yes,
to Jodhpur for
yes,
joining your PG. No, not PG, hostel. Sorry.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Anyone hostel or PG, because in the first year we will not get
Mm-hmm.
hostel of medical college, so
Mm-hmm.
we have to see other PG or hostels, private hostel or private PGs. So that's all.
Have you arranged? Have you
No, I have
arranged?
not arranged. I have not arranged, because my parents will go with me, and they will
Mm.
see what is suitable for me after
Okay.
reaching there.
But within one day, it is very difficult to find a good, room, good PG. It's very difficult.
Yes, first they will settle me in a PG or hostel, and after that it will be suitable. I will, if it will suitable, so I will,
Mm.
I will live there for 1 year. After that, I will get
You can
medical college
take
hostel, and after
you
that,
can take
if
help. You can take help with your elder brother who is already
yes,
living in that
definitely
city.
I will also,
Hmm.
and
Yes.
and after it will not to suit, if it will not suitable, I will try to find out any another PG, good PG. After 1 month I
Hmm.
will change the PG or hostel.
Hmm.
So
You can search on 99 Acre and Magic Brick where you can find PG, so many things.
okay, I will. Can you
Yes.
again name again?
Magic Brick. Magic Brick. MAGIC Magic Brick.
Okay, definitely I will
You
try.
can, sorry, now I'm going to tell you because you have only one day. Okay. So I
Okay,
think you can find on online also and you can take help a broker. They can
okay,
easily find a good PG for you.
Okay. Is it a
There,
app?
there are so many apps, but you are telling me today you are going for
Okay.
Jodhpur. Okay. So in a one day, it's very difficult to find online. So I think you should take help with a broker. You can say
Okay.
property
Definitely
dealer.
I will try.
Yes,
Thanks for this
they will help
advice.
you.
I will try.
They will take
Okay.
some money, but yes, they will find out good, PG for you or good hostel.
Okay. Definitely I will try to uh,
Mm.
figure out.
You can find their numbers on magicbrick.com and 99 acres. After that, you can talk to that person and they will send you photos also on WhatsApp. So you can
Okay.
select. Yes.
Definitely I will try. Okay. So do you have
Yes.
any another question?
No, I have no question.
So